Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to add beans transaction in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Then you can see here are my Keynote presentation. Then firstly go to the transaction drop down menu, and here are many transaction. I am select beans transaction, and beans transaction apply many slides. Again then you can see here are duration or direction. Now we can use increase or decrease this. Start transaction on click or automatically. Now choose on click. Now you can see here are slideshow menu. Now click this. Wait some moment, our slideshow is starting. Click mouse and change. You can see our bean transaction. Press escape on your keyboard and you can see add beans transaction in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.